Hello, how you doing, everyone? And today I'm going to talk about Sunlight Financial that is just going to a merger with SPRQ, and it just announced this morning. And as you can see on the chart right here, that once it's announced pre-market, it shot up to $20, and then it cooled off all the way to 14. Okay, and let's dive into the investor presentation and see and see if this 14 something dollars, is it a good buy, or should we wait for a little bit more pullback, or should we, add a little positions, as it goes up. Okay. And let's look into it. Okay. The SPAC merger company, that they are going through is one of the well-known firm that this, you know, Apollo, which is one of the firm that bought Fisker, to public. So it's the same team, okay, guys. So as you can see this, then you will have some ideas what this SPAC management is, okay. Okay, what the business of Sunlight Financial does. Okay, so it's pretty much a financing platform that that provide financing services to, like, so people that who wanna install their solar panels at their house, or whatever, like, place that they want to install it. So it's like a financing platform, okay, for solar energies, mainly, okay. And this SPAC is valuing at 1.2 billions. And let's check out the number later on and see, 21 times of, adjusted EBITDA at 60 million. Is it expensive, or is it just at the right valuation or not? And we're gonna talk about the financial in a little bit. So over here, just talking about, the funded volumes of, how it did from 2016 to 2020s, okay? So it looks like it increased quite a bit. So over here, look at the growth of the market. Okay, so 2017 to 2020, and it's growing at 57%, and then 2020 to 2023, it growing at 29%. This is how the solar market is still growing. At this kind of percentage. And over here, talking about the solar cost of energy is actually declining 2.3% each, like each year, okay, from 2017 to 2020. So a lot of people are going to switch from, like, use electricity to solar panels. And this is the map that you can see, like, from 2015, there's how many states that actually, that cover, solar systems. And then 2020, and you had, already, like, cover majority of the US already. So, and over here is also showing the US, solar annual market size. It's increasing 14%, okay, each year. So definitely there's a market there for solar, for solar energies, right? Especially with the new, administrations that, the government is going to be more into, like, renewable energy, solars, and electric vehicles, type of sectors like that. Okay. Okay, over here is their financial forecast. Okay, so you're looking at 2017 to 2020, 57% increase, and 2023, you're looking at 22%, increase. So it's like 20 something percent increase, year over year. So that's that's a pretty good number for the funded volumes. Okay, that's the money that they funded. Okay, and you're looking at the the revenues. The revenues is also similar growth among numbers. And EBITDA's, the EBITDA is looking actually really, really good. You're looking at 2023, you have 56% positive EBITDA at $112 million. So this is great for the company. Or you're making like, whatever the sales you have, you're making like almost 56% of, the money, the positive cash flow that go into your pocket. So 1.3 billion valuation, just like we say. Okay, you look at over here, that's what I want to talk about, like their valuation, 21 times of their adjusted EBITDA. And you compare to like, SunPower, Open Lending, they are 33 times to the EBITDA, 51 times to the, to their EBITDA. So they're relatively cheap compared to the, to their peers. All right, so the revenue is looking great, right? So they're really generating revenues already, and then, and then growing in a good percentage. And especially when you look at it, I really like the EBITDA numbers, at 56%. So, especially with positive EBITDAs, and you're still making really good positive cash flow going forward, right? Okay, guys. So, so please like and subscribe my channel, guys. In my, after we going through the financials and the backgrounds of this company and the chart, I really think that this company is going to do great. And then, solar energy is going to be the sectors for the next, few years, because, the new administration is going to put more money into it. It's going to, it's going to bring more business to solar energies, right? Like I say, EV car, like EVs and, renewable energies and solar energies, all those sectors is gonna have another few years to run. So hey guys, please like and subscribe my channel. And I really think this this is gonna be a a long-term hold, and especially Chairman, which is like this guy is put through SPAC mergers left and right. Just today he put out 2 SPAC merger already, SPRQ and TSIA. So he did his research, and he definitely is one of the guy that that own a huge hedge fund that that mainly that mainly do SPAC mergers. Okay, so check it out, and please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, guys.